Okay, so hello everyone. How are you today? I hope that everyone okay and uh, everyone stay healthy. All right. Today teacher feels so excited to come here to take the lesson that we're gonna continue to our lesson in lesson 4. Yeah. So before we start our lesson, teacher would like to say that please stay safe and please drink more water because right now it's like very hot. The weather is so hot. That's why I want to take care about your health also. Okay. So yes. So now everyone, let's move to our lesson. Okay. Okay. Come with me. So today, teacher we're gonna teach you lesson 4 about a question. Yeah, question sentence and with yes no answer. Okay, so the question is it a or and then you're gonna answer yes or no according to the sentence and the thing, is it correct or not, something like that. Okay, let's start with me. Okay, so number one, teacher gonna choose like this. Teacher will ask you a one, is it a ruler? Okay, for example, okay, teacher gonna put like this, is it a ruler, and then like this. So how you can answer? Yeah, that one, look. Is it a ruler? Is it correct, right? So you have to answer yes. Yes, what? Yes, it is. Is it correct, right? The picture is a ruler. That's why you have to say yes, it is. Very good. Now, look at number 2. Okay, so teacher use this one. Okay. Okay, look at this. Oh, look at this picture. You know this one, right? Okay. So teacher gonna ask you again. Is it an eraser? I'm sorry. Okay. Is it an eraser? Why you falling down? I'm sorry. Teacher is wrong. Let me see. It's wrong here. Look. Teacher is wrong. Okay. So is it? Is it an eraser? How you can answer? Yes, it is, because the picture is eraser. Okay, so you're gonna answer yes, it is. Okay, now number 3. Okay, teacher have one more picture. You want this? Okay, is a one. Is it a pant? Look, is it a pant? Is it a pen? No. Yes or no, everyone? No. No, it is. No, it isn't. Okay. No, it isn't a pen. Sorry, it isn't a pen. It is a marker, right? Very good. Okay. Now, did you have one more? Number 4. Okay. Don't look at this picture. So teacher gonna ask you that one. Look, is it a bag? Is it? I'm sorry. Is it a bag? And then how you can answer? No, no, it isn't a bag. It is a what? No, it isn't a bag. Okay. No, it isn't. You can answer like no, it isn't, or you can answer no, it isn't a bag. It's a what? It's a pencil case. Okay. Now, let with me again. So here, that's why teacher gonna tell you that. Oh, today we're gonna study with question and yes with and no. So here, look. Number 1, is it a ruler? Yeah, the picture is ruler, so you can answer yes, it is, right? Oh, number 2, you look at the picture and the teacher asks you, A1, is it an eraser? Yes, it is. Okay. And you look at the picture number three. Uh, is it a pen? You look at the picture. Is it a pen, everyone? No. No, it isn't. No, is it? No, it isn't a pen. It's a marker, right? Okay, good. Number four. You look at the picture and the teacher asks you, is it a pen? Sorry, is it a bag? No, it isn't a bag. It's a pencil case, right? Yeah, good. So, hopefully, I think that everyone understand how to use the question with yes, no answer, and I hope that you enjoy it, right? So, teacher have question to ask you, have teacher to ask you more. Just be patient with me, okay? Teacher have more thing to ask you. Okay, now let's see. Everyone, look at me. Are you there with me? Are you sleepy? No sleepy, right? Please, don't be sleepy. Please answer with teacher. Okay, look at me. Look at this picture. Is it a bag? Look. Ah, yes, it is, right? Because this one is a bag. Look at this one. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. Huh? Oh, is it an eraser? No, no, it isn't. An eraser is a sharpener, right? Very good, my dear. Okay, next book. Everyone look. Is it a notebook? No, it isn't a notebook. It's a paper. Okay, good. Everyone look. Oh, it's upside down again. It's a TV. Everyone, is it a TV? No, it isn't a TV. It's a whiteboard, right? Yeah. Okay, look, everyone, look at this. Everyone, look. Is it a chair? No, it isn't. Is it a table? Yes, it is. Very good. Thank you, everyone. I hope that everyone understand with teacher lesson today. Today we study with question, right? I hope that you enjoy the teacher lesson, and we will continue the lesson, the next lesson for tomorrow. Okay, goodbye, everyone. See you again. Okay, bye bye.